So you're on our website and you decide that you'd like to purchase our Whip Herbal Hair Butter. We got it, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go. So with our Whip Herbal Hair Butter, I like to use it in a couple of ways. Two ways to be exact. The third way is definitely optional. But the very first way is on a protective hairstyle. My go-to hairstyle is, of course, two-strand twist. Yes, 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 yes. As you can see, the whip hair butter melts on contact. It literally soaks into your strands. So my go-to hairstyle is my twist. You can use it on twists, plaits. You can use it on your afro. You can use it on your beard. You can use it on babies. It is just very lightweight and just hydrating, just for everyone. This is like my favorite hairstyle to do. I wanted to give anything that would cause any tension to my hair alone. I gave the wigs a break. I just wanted to just allow my natural hair just to breathe and blossom and just to do its own thing. I really wanted to focus on my edges. I just wanted to take a break. It'd be like that sometimes. So this is the second way I'm showing you how to use our hair butter. I'm applying it to the ends of my hair from the root to the tip. Our whip hair butter has a Murmur butter in it, which is perfect for split ends. So as you can see, I'm applying it from the root to the ends of my hair. So now I'm applying it to the ends of my hair. I'm showing you how the whip hair butter literally melts on contact. So we're applying it to the back part of my hair, soaking it in, getting up in there. Doing the opposite side, just soaking it all in. And then I'm about to show you my hands so you can see how all of the oil that was previously, the hair butter that was previously on my hands has soaked and penetrated into my scalp. Look at that. Ain't nothing out. So then it's soaking on in. Then this third way is optional. I just want to show you that it literally melts on contact. You don't have to rub this in, but if it does get on your skin, you can just rub it in. It's all butters and oils anyway, and it hydrates your skin as well if it was to get on you. But that is my demonstration. Thank you for watching, and shop ADL Hair Body Life.